one head, many hats, which is me, because your girl got 50 of them jobs, okay? Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. I share content on lifestyle, health, wellness, beauty, and most importantly, skincare. So if you're interested in stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe. Today's video, I am going to be going through some PR packages that I've received. I never do videos like this, but I received a few PR packages while I was away, so I was like, you know what? Let me share it with you guys. And right now I look naked and I don't like that, so let's fix this here. Yeah, that's better. The first package that I have is, let me try to open this a little bit, is from Kiehl's. Kiehl's is a skincare, thing is blurring, my lights are like blurring this out, y'all. I need to figure out how to do this, but they sent me new ultra pure serums, 10 ingredients or less, fragrant free, colorants, and suitable for all skin type. And this is the package. Inside the package, it has pure niacinamide, pure potency, what is it, hyaluronic acid serum, some pure potency glycolic acid serum. Now this, on the box, it says this is 9.8% glycolic serum, which you already know. Over here, we're all for exfoliation, we're all for glycolic acid and different types of acid that help with hyperpigmentation. The one glycolic acid, I have two glycolic acids. One is the what is it the 7% toner. I forgot what brand it is. And I talk about that brand here all the time. What is it? I don't know, my brain can't compute, but that, and then the BHA serum from Paula's Choice, those are lower percentages of glycolic acid. So I'm actually excited to try this and see how good it works for smoothing out the skin. And then they also, inside, I have their eye cream, which I'm not an eye cream type of girl. Like, I do have one eye cream, which is from Tatcha, that I use sometimes, but I never really purchase eye creams, so that'll be good to try. And then the Ultra Facial Cream, which let's see, it's a 24-hour hydrating cream. Okay. And then also in the package there is their body lotion, Cream de Crop body lotion. I actually received this in another PR package that they sent me for Valentine's Day, so this is cute. Some of these packages I've already opened, some of them I have not, and I have my scissor here, which is not the best way to open packages, but that's just what we're using today. This, what is this? Oh, this is so cute. This is what you look like if you were a Pop-Tart packet. Okay, this is cute. Who are you? What are you? Euphoria. So this is a deep cleaning, a deep cleaning green tea jelly cleanser. So this is a face care, skincare brand, and this is their deep cleansing jelly cleanser. It says night off face wash. This is cute. This is some really cute packaging. I have on makeup right now, so I'm going to see how well this works. It says night off face wash. It's a gentle deep cleaning face wash that could be used for both morning and night to remove makeup and debris. Okay. I received an email that I was going to be sent samples of La Mer's cream. Y'all know La Mer's cream is freaking expensive, very expensive. So when I got the email that they wanted to, well, someone, I don't know who, but I was gonna be sent samples of the cream. I got excited and I thought the sample would be like a full-sized sample, but it came in this bag and it's 2 of these small jars of the La Mer moisturizer. So I'm actually excited just to try this and see what La Mer be giving, and if that $100-$200 price tag is worth it for some facial cream. I already opened this, but I received Saint Tropez, I hope I'm saying that right, Saint Tropez self tanning moisturizer, and then this this self tanning like mitt. I'm black and it's clear that I'm black, and I've heard of black girls tanning. I've never actually tried a self tanner before. Like whenever I tan, it's because I'm outside, I'm at the beach, I'm using the sun to tan my body, but I've never like self tan before. So this is interesting, and it's like an oil. So it's like this self-tanning oil. Let me know if you want me to do a video on how this comes out, because I want to try it. Exfoliate moisturized areas. Yeah, I would actually like to try this. So we go see. Package. Let's see, what is this? Laneige Retinol Firming Cream Treatment. Y'all, how I say this? What is it? Laneige? I've seen this brand before. I've seen this brand in Sephora before. I've never purchased any of their products, but I got their Retinol Firming Cream. Oh, this is fancy. Look how, like, they got it all packaged up together. So, instructions. So, these are instructions on how to use it. Bro, why would you do this? I am all for retinols. I am a retinol girl. I am a tretinoin girl. I am an anti-aging girl. Like, you want to start your anti-aging process as early as possible. I started wearing anti-aging products when I was like 24, after some life events happened, and I was, you know, living a normal life. So having as much anti-aging products as I possibly can is in my realm of being. Okay, so I like this, says that it visibly firms and smooths the skin. I am interested to see if that's actually the case. It says Clean Beauty ATP Skincare. All right, let's see. Y'all, I should not be opening this box with this scissor like this. This is dangerous, y'all. Do not try this at home. Oh, one head, many hats. Oh, that is the cutest thing. So I got, so they sent, is that it? Let's see. So I'm assuming this is what's inside the package. They're turmeric and rosemary oil, sold at Target. Okay, and then I got a hat, y'all. I got a hat. It says, what is it? One head, many hats, which is me, because your girl got 50 jobs, okay? So let's see. Inside of this package, we have, what we have? We got a little scrunchie, which is cute. Why I done put on this whole outfit? What else is in here? What is this? Y'all help me figure out what this is. Please tell me what you think this is, because I don't know what that is. And then what else is in here? Another gadget. What you do with this? We go figure that out. Then I'm assuming this is the actual product. Oh, this is cute. So this is a turmeric oil with rosemary, comforting, brightening, nourishing face serum. Serum. So what is it used for? It gives you a dewy finish application, and it has turmeric in it. So I could assume that it's for brightening the skin. Yeah, so it says your solution to a calm complexion. Massage one drop into your skin as long as it feels good and press in with your palms. Okay. So this package, actually, I've already opened this. It's this company called Flip, and basically when you purchase products, so you purchase products in the store like regularly, like we go to Sephora, we go to Ulta, we go to all these different places, Target, to get different things. So basically what this company does is you purchase products on their website, and they give you the opportunity to leave an honest review on the product. And if you don't like the product, you can send it back, you know, no, like, nothing obligated. And then if you like the product, you leave a review and you create like a profile, and it kind of works like TikTok, like the way you scroll through. And if people like your review, or leave a comment, or leave a heart, or whatever, you get paid like on your review. So they reached out and wanted me to select a few products that I would use myself, and it's up to me if I want to leave a review on them or not, but they just wanted me to select a few things, and so I did. So what I selected, which I already opened this package, but I got I've always wanted to try the Supergoop glow thingy. I wasn't gonna spend my own money on this. I also selected, if it will focus, the e.l.f. All Nighter Stay Matte makeup spray. I've seen this everywhere. I've always wanted to try it. I selected this Flawless Face e.l.f. brush because I want to try this new makeup technique with putting on a foundation with a fluffy brush. So I wanted to try that, and then I really wanted to try the Patrick Ta Face and Body She's on Vacation. I buy so much body shimmers because I'm obsessed with how they make my skin look, and I've been seeing reviews on this Patrick Ta body shimmer, and I didn't want to spend my own money. I wasn't gonna spend my own money to buy it, but look at God. Look at that. I got it sent to me for the free. If you'd like me to share more videos like this and me unboxing PR packages that I get, go ahead and like this video. I could do that for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't go anywhere. I have more videos that you could watch about skincare, vacations, travel, all that jazz. All right, I'll talk to you soon.